In this lesson, we'll remove the area around the woman's head, we'll add in a black layer with some dark gray painting, and then we'll add a red glow around the woman's hair. We want to remove the background of the woman and add in our own background. Select the woman layer, turn off the background layer, and then in the Properties panel, click on the Remove Background button. Now we have to create a background. Click on the dark layer, turn it on, and then bring the opacity up to 100%. We want to try to recreate the original poster, which is black with the shapes of dark gray. Click on the foreground color to select that gray, and then click OK. Turn on the dark layer, and let's make a new layer and name it Background Gray, and press Return. Find a fun brush that you like, make it really big, and start painting. There we go. Turn on all the layers. That was pretty good. I like what I have here. The concept of that background is to show an abstract artwork behind this woman who may be a psychotic artist. If we turn all the layers off and look at the movie poster, the woman has a red glow behind her head. And that red glow is behind the hair, not behind the fingers or the shoulders. So let's make a new layer over the background gray layer and name it Red Glow and press Return. Select a red from the Color Swatches panel. That goes into the foreground color. Let's turn on all the layers in the design. Scroll all the way up to the top of the Brushes panel and select the soft round brush. Make the brush around 60 pixels and paint around the woman's head where her hair is and down here where her hair is. This lesson will continue in the next video.